this is a neonatal incubator created to tackle the high infant mortality rates in the developing world and the high price of medical equipment in the developed world. Okay. This neonatal incubator is mainly made out of wood, which has good toxic and bacterial properties, and is also readily available around the world. Okay, and it's wood from an old bed and laminate floorboard. The cost of this incubator is really low, it's under £40. The only things that I bought were the temperature controller and the plexiglass. Okay. So the incubator is relatively easy to open. And this guy's open. Okay, this wire stuck. Relatively easy to open, and it's made out of floorboard and skirting board from floorboard. Okay, the new incubator has ergonomic accessible ports to access the baby for cleansing and other purposes. Okay, now the temperature sensor ordered was on Amazon, and it's called HTC 1000, which people use for brewing beer at home. We found it on the internet, and at the moment I'm using two bulbs, one to represent the cooling source and one to represent the heating source. Okay, at the temperature set to 24.5 degrees. This is the temperature required by the unit. I found that this, although I'm more using two bulbs, this temperature controller is extremely precise and accurate, and although I'm not even using a cooling source, it is still able to prescribe temperature close to 24 degrees. If I wait a bit longer, it will actually went up to 24, within 24, 25. Okay. Now I will show you how the temperature controller works. Now at the moment it's heating. I'll just take the sensor out. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, hopefully, I'm going to heat the sensor up by blowing on it. Okay, now it's roughly at 24 degrees and the heat goes off, and I'm going to continue. The cooling light goes on. Okay. Yeah, I find it to be extremely worthy of its price and quite useful. And it will be. I have to incorporate the temperature control into my incubator, which I'll be doing. And as far as my incubator is concerned, there's some nails there, and at the back, and the insulation which I need to cover up. I use floorboard insulation, and I need to smooth down the edges. So all that will be done. And health and safety wise, I need to make some a couple of changes. I will also like to paint the incubator, and now I'll get onto the thermostats, the temperature sensors for my respiratory monitor and apnea alarm. I've yet to incorporate the thermostats into a nasal design. Okay. The circuit for the unit to incubator is apnea alarm is connected to the side of the unit incubator. And the thermostats are going to the incubator really small. Okay, now I'm going to show you my software that I've created to